Well, hello there, folks. You know the deal. I'm here helping you become an even better trainer presenter. My name is Mark Miles, and I love helping anyone out there that wants to get their message out there even more powerfully in the public speaking space, in running workshops, or even retreats, right? So in today's video, I want to talk about a topic that often comes up for people, and it's kind of like, it's in the top 10 topics that people love to talk about in regards to training and presenting, right? Now, today's topic is, how do I stop saying ums and ahs? How do I stop saying that, right? And we see a lot of videos around this topic online, which is great. I mean, it's a really burning topic for a lot of people, right? But the thing is, at the end of the day, it really comes down to three things, right? And you've got a decision that you want to make, right? And at the end of the day, highly likely, you want to be a speaker that has an impact. You want to be someone that's listened to, heard, and someone that actually captures and holds people's attention. Highly likely that's the case for you, right? But at the end of the day, when you are saying constantly, then you're going to be essentially devaluing your message, right? And you're going to be putting across a situational scenario or thoughts in people's minds that you don't actually know what you're talking about, or potentially you're a little bit unsure about yourself, right? And that's the last thing you want to project or put across, right? So we want to start to think about, how do we actually get out of that habit of saying ums and ahs, right? So here's the deal. Grab a pen and write this down. Three simple things. Three simple things is all you need to do. Number one, make the decision. Make the decision, right? And at the end of the day, it really comes back to, first of all, do you want to make a decision to actually speak to be heard and speak to influence, or just speak to get words out of your mouth, right? And a lot of people never make that decision, and it comes across, right? So number one, make the decision that you want to come across in an articulate way, all right? Now, the second thing is, instead of umming and ahhing, pause. Pause between your thoughts. Pause and feel comfortable to hold the space. A lot of people don't feel comfortable to hold the space, and as a result, they rush their words. They try and think of the next thing. They get all nervous, and they come to the ums and the ahs and the ums and the ahs, right? Just pause. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay, team. It's going to be okay, right? Now, the third thing that you can do is, I like to elongate my words, right? Or I will just extend the last word that I've said. For example, you want to have a beach ball and an elephant. You want to have a beach ball and an elephant, right? Now, I don't know where those came from, but at the end of the day, all I just wanted to demonstrate to you was how you can elongate the last word that you said. Instead of saying, you can just repeat the last word you said, or you can make it sound longer, right? So we all want to have a great car. Now, cars are really good things to have, because when you got a great car, you can really feel a great sense of freedom. Now, freedom is a thing that will really transform your inner state. It will make you think that life can be really different when it really can. Now, that was just some random stuff there, but I just want to illustrate how you can essentially avoid the ums and the ahs by just pausing, by gathering your own thoughts, and maybe even repeating some of the words that you just said there, right? So, let's come back. First of all, make the decision. Second, learn to use the pause to your advantage. And third, play with your wordplay, where you use the same words that you just said, or repeat them or elongate them. If you do that, you will not fall into the trap of doing the ums and ahs, right? So, team, at the end of the day, we need to start to, if we really want to influence others, speak to be remembered, speak to be heard, speak to influence, not just speak to open our mouth, right? And you will notice that great communicators allow a thought to land with their audience, so it's heard, it's absorbed, it's thought about, right? But when you're first starting out presenting, you will rush your thoughts, you will rush to get the words out. But great trainers and presenters, they've presented so much that they're just so comfortable in their own space. And if they get a question from the audience, even if it's a random odd question, they'll say something like, yeah, it's a great question. Let's just pause and think about that for a moment. And they will be comfortable in their own space. And they're not going to and ah themselves out of the game. They're going to hold the space. And great speakers hold the space. On that note, folks, hopefully you got some value from the video. If you did, like, comment, share. Let's get the message out there as we transform our delivery and our articulation. Thanks for watching, team. See you on the next one.